Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be checking out this school that's been abandoned since the 60s. It was bought by a farmer after that and used as a storage. And it was built sometime in the 50s. I think the farmer sold it to like a development company, but I'm not sure. We'll just take a quick walk around it and then we'll head in. Yeah. We'll just check for ticks after, but I don't think we'll get any. I'm not sure though. This place hasn't been cut in a while though. Yeah. Like if it wasn't destroyed and it was still maybe a school, it'd still kind of look cool though. I like this roof right here. It's pretty nice, yeah. There's a classroom. And it's just all open around here. We're in the middle of the country, yeah. It probably used to be a parking lot, but yeah, they brought like a little playground at one point. Yeah. Yeah, see? This is just so tall. And then here's the other side, which is another classroom. As you can see, it's pretty destroyed now as the whole roof is gone, which sucks, but still pretty cool, yeah. It's kind of like starting to go in a bit. It looks like it's like, yeah. Holy tall grass. Okay, but here's the front of the school again. And now we'll head in and show you guys the inside. Here, I'm gonna start with this room because there's only one outside. Hey guys, here's like the utility room and the boiler room. Not much in here. Old fuse box, or like the electrical box. And here's like an old furnace. Okay, so this is like a bathroom. Oh wow, look at this door. Just the wood rotting away. I like these windows, these are pretty cool. Do they open? No. This probably would have been like a classroom or something. Yeah, this place got pretty destroyed. Okay, here's another bathroom. So this is kind of a small school, but it's still pretty cool. I don't know what year it opened exactly, but it was sometime in the 50s. And then they closed it down for a newer school that was bigger. That's probably where they put like, that's where they probably put like trophies. Okay guys, so this room's like a janitor closet or like a storage room. Here, let me zoom out. There's not much in here, but there's this old sink, which is kind of cool. And there's not much else, it's just shelves.
That's an old ass light.
Yeah, light. Kind of cool.
Another one right there.
Oh, there's another one.
Yeah. Reminds me of like old headlights, like that
Yeah.
like 79. What? Like
And look, there's a little light up there too.
Oh shit.
It's kind of newer, it looks like.
Where's it going?
Here's this big room.
Is there no basement?
There might not be. I thought maybe there could have
This is
been.
like really small. This
Yeah.
is like one classroom.
Actually,
Yeah.
I thought
that
this
one
would
too.
yeah, this would have been a
This one, too.
classroom.
There's one.
That's just the wood banging against the wall. But yeah, this is small. Yeah, this would have been a classroom. See?
Only 2 classrooms. That's crazy.
Yeah, there's not even a basement at all. You haven't found one?
I couldn't find one. No.
Actually, that's crazy. I like that graffiti. That kind of looks nice. Yeah, this classroom's not really much.
Yeah.
Pretty destroyed. Yeah. There's a ladder for some reason. Oh yeah, the scaffold. Like someone's trying to fix it or something at one point, but I don't think you're fixing it. Yeah. Is this the other classroom?
Yes. Yeah.
Wow.
Could have a huge bonfire with all the wood.
Yeah, that's crazy. Some old shelves. This would have been a cool school though. Like I like the layout of it. It's just really small.
I think that's how they mostly work.
Yeah, most schools were small and they were like added onto over the years.
Yep.
Anything in that last cupboard? Probably not. No, it's like a little closet. Yeah, it's like a little cubby. Well, let's go check the rest of the school. Have you already checked it?
I've checked everywhere, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go check everything else real quick. So this probably would have been like a back door, side door. It's been ripped open though.
Right there.
Yeah, wow.
All schools have this shit on the roof. I have no idea why, but
This place is so destroyed.
look how much like open field there is.
Yeah, it's because a farmer owns it. It's probably gonna end up being demolished now though. Is this the last room?
Yeah.
Would this even be like a principal's office?
I honestly don't know. Could be an office.
It's some type of room, but it's so small.
Yeah.
Is that what it says on the wall?
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, that's probably it of the school. So I'll see you guys in the next video.